To connect Samsung Galaxy A57 5G with printer, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Go to connections and then click on more connection settings on the bottom. Now go to the printing. Now you need to make sure that default print service is on and enter a pairing mode on a printer that you own. Also make sure that your phone has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled. Now select this plugin and click on it, and if your printer is in pairing mode, it should be discoverable. You should be able to find it on this list. If it doesn't show up, then you may need to download additional plugins for your specific brand. Click on this plus button. After that, you will see plugins for different brands, and you can select, for example, if you had this Xerox printer, you can download Xerox print service, and when it's downloaded, you can go back to the settings of printing and then click on the Xerox print service to find your Xerox printer inside. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.